Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. This is part 2 of upgrading an old laptop. This is installing your RAM. So in order to take out the chips it's in, I should just push back in these and it should pop up, which it did. And I can hold up to the camera. As you can see, it's 2GB 1280S. So, meh. So, I bought some HyperX Impact. As you can see, this is low voltage RAM. This is part of Kingston. It doesn't actually tell me, but this is an 8GB DIMM. So I should add, that's a 2GB DIMM that came out, so I should add an extra 6GB to this. So place this in. Like so. And press down and push down. If it's down correctly, the pin should pop out, and then we go. There we go. And that's us upgraded the RAM. Right, so let's work out how the memory thing goes back on. I see there's a mark on it, but I didn't check where that was beforehand. See if more light helps.